Hi everybody. So I'm gonna teach you how to microwave food faster. So I'm gonna be using fettuccine alfredo. I'll come back when I open this up. Okay guys, so I opened it up. It took me like 1 second. Okay, I'll put it right here. So I'm gonna open up the microwave. Okay, so you have the microwave ready, and so you take your food. You're gonna put it inside the left corner, cause that's the corner that makes your food more hotter, you know. So put it in a spot where it won't fall off. So we're gonna put it in. We're gonna put it in for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now we're starting, and I'll come back when it's ready. Okay, guys, so it's almost ready. 4, 3, 2, 1. Burn! Oh, see that sizzling? Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Yes. Let's wash this fork. Dirty. Okay. Enjoy your food.